Ayan, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng press natin. Salamat po dahil pinulakan niyo po kami dito sa, ano na to, sa event na to. So yeah, ako, ang natutunan ko, gaya nung sinabi ko dati kay Derek Ryan talaga, na yung last day namin, sabi ko, ang swerte pala namin mga aktor. Kasi yung pain natin, pwede natin gamitin, pwede natin pagkakitaan. At the same time, parang na-realize ko kasi, during nung nandun ako sa workshop kay Derek Ryan, meron ako nakausap na Grab driver, na bigla lang niya sa akin sinabi na nagkaroon siya ng, ng amnesia. So nakalimutan niya lahat. Tapos nung time na medyo, syempre papunta ako sa workshop, sabi ko, grabe no, kahit pala yung pain na meron tayo bilang humans, dapat pa rin pala natin pahalagahan yung mga bagay na yun, kahit masakit siya. Kasi lalo na yun, ako bilang aktor, pwede ko siyang gamitin pala. Though yung pain na yun, pag tumatanda ka, nag-iiba rin yung level ng pain na yun. Kumbaga, kahit bumalik ka dun sa lugar na kung saan nangyari yung pain na yun, meron pa rin pero hindi na siya tulad dun dati. Pero mararamdaman mo sa sarili mo na masakit pa rin. So, dito sa Chabak, nung ginagawa namin yung mga exercises, parang sabi ko, buti na lang napagdaanan ko itong mga pain na to. Pero yung pain na yun, hindi siya yung dapat babagsak eh. Ito yung pain na dapat malalaman mo na matutulungan ka sa buhay mo. Ano na yung next mo gagawin, paano mo siya malalagpasan. So, ayun, sana may nakuha kayo sa sila.
Oo.
Haba eh.
Nakita naman namin yung kay Biboy.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and thank you Direk sa pag-invite din sa akin.
Jenny Miller was for the longest time po nasa masterclass.
Yes, oo. And mga naging magkaklase na po kami nila Ate Carmi dyan. Masasabi ko, marami akong natutunan kay Direk. First of all, yung Chabak technique, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako doon. Kasi for 23 years na nasa showbiz din ako, minsan hindi mo may iwasan na nandun yung kaya ko rin bang makipagsabay sa mga veterano. Alam mo yung mga ganon, ang hirap. Minsan, andun yung kaba. So, with the Chabak technique, doon mo masasabi, ready ako. Yun lagi ang sabi ko kay Derek. Gusto ko Derek, at first yun yung sabi ko, gusto ko Derek, pag binigyan ako ng role, wala na, hindi ako natatakot. Kaya ko ibigay lahat ng makakaya ko. Kasi, confident ako. Nag-aral ako kay Derek Ryan, Chabak technique to. Yung gano'n. Alam ko na yung diskarte. So, yun, nag-undergo ko ng training kay Derek. So, nakatatlo yata akong masterclass kay Derek. Gusto ko pa sana, kaya lang medyo naging busy na. But, yun. So, maraming natutunan kay Derek Ryan yun. Malaki ang utang na loob ko kay Derek Ryan for that. And isa pa, ewan ko, share ko lang dito Derek. May ginawa kaming project ni Derek, may ginawa kaming movie. Yes, na sana soon. Lumabas na. May isang eksenang na-challenge ako. Challenge niya ako. Kasi yung role doon, mahirap yung role ko. Merong whole day, wala akong ginawa, di umiyak. Basta ganon. Tapos, mas meron mga 4 a.m. na yun. Parang last pong ako, parang gano'n, iiyak ka pa rin. Hirap na ako, tuyo na. Sabi ko gano'n, pagod na po, ganyan. Tapos lumapit siya sa akin. Jen, pag pinalabas natin itong movie to, wala namang disclaimer to eh. Hindi natin pwede ilagay na, pagod ka na, hello sunrise na. Oo. Yung mga viewers na yan, nagbayad. Binigay yung oras nila para mapanood yung movie natin. Ibigay mo kung yung deserve nilang mapanood para sa movie. Hinawakan pa ako ni Derek noon. Tapos sabi ko, sige, go Derek. Kaya ko to. So yun, bilang aktor, walang oras. Kung ano yung hinihingi ng eksena, kailangan ibigay mo, umiyak ka or whatever. Wala kang excuse. Kung yan yung passion mo, kung yan yung trabaho mo, gawin mo lahat ng kaya mo. And si Derek Ryan, malaking naitulong sa akin.
Klaro pa lang po, wala pang Eddie Garcia.
Wala pa po! Oo, wala pa po sa Eddie Garcia.
Reklamo.
Tsaka parang late yung call din namin. Nakalakit dito.
Yung oras kasi.
Oo, yun, ganun. Ayan lang po. Thank you po.
kaming nag-start.
Oo, late call yun.
At least I'm honest.
Michael.
Hello po, magandang araw. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. My name is Michael Ver. I'm a MQA artist po, B5. And first of all, I would like to thank Direk Ryan and also the MQA for having us with this workshop, and also my fellow actors as well that help us to make me who I am today, who made me stronger as a person, not just an actor but a person as well. So the first takeaway ko po sa workshop is the preparation. Na-notice ko po na just like an athlete po kasi ako. I'm a national team in the sport of modern pentathlon. And I'll be playing for the SEA Games this December. So, the first one po is napaka-importante po ng preparasyon po when it comes to the Chabak technique kasi Direk Ryan always tell us kahit gaano ka pa kagaling na aktor, pag hindi ka nag-prepare, doon talaga makikita talaga sa work mo. And yun talaga yung na-learn ko din kasi there were times na I prepared so hard and the results I have, nakuha ko talaga. And there were times na I did not prepare, not much, doon talaga, kahit sobrang gusto kong ito ma-achieve, hindi ko talaga na-achieve. Kaya yun yung first one, yung preparation. And number 2 naman is the life lessons talaga na pwede mong ma-apply in the real life. One thing I shared also sa class is that there was one time na I failed in this competition, pero because of the advice of Direk na all those negative things or all those failures that you experience, take it as a positive thing. Before I got the gold medal last week, I actually failed. Natalo po ako sa isang competition. I was 8th place. Imagine mo gaano kalayo yung spot. Pero I took it as a positive thing na I'll learn from this. I'll take all those negative things na happen and formulate it, and I'll make a new one. Babangon ako, and then last week I got the gold medal and qualified na po ako for the SEA Games. Yes, and I continue to grow as a person din, not just an actor, but as a person, and continue to inspire people and artists and people as well na you can always achieve your goals if you work hard towards it and always prepare for it, and you can have your dreams come true. That would be all. Thank you so much. Sumakses siya, may proseso. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, isa sa mga top choices sa mga best ni Direk. Miss Lisa.
Good evening, everyone. It's quite surreal that I'm actually in the lineup of actors kasi, di ba, having played a different role with my previous work with the FTCP, so having the same press con, pero as an actress. So yun, siguro yun yung unang-una kong na-achieve or na-receive every time I participate in Direk Ryan's class. I'm reminded that I am an actress, and I get to embrace the very, very first reason why I am in this industry. I started as an actress, and I worked my way up. And who would have thought that I would actually get to a point where I will be on the other side, providing support for our filmmakers. So, napakalaking bagay sa akin. Every time Direk gives me an opportunity to train, to act, to do workshops, to do a scene, especially during that time na parang hindi ko pwede ma-exercise itong craft na to. What does the Chabak technique teach me? Because ako, I've been acting since I was 15 years old. So, I've done Stanislavski, I've done Uta Hagen, nakapag-Meissner na ako. I've also done Strasbourg, here and there. These are different kinds of acting techniques that train you as an actor to understand your tool, and yourself is your tool. So, with Chabak, siguro ang pinaka-biggest takeaway ko is I've become a better human being. Because Chabak challenges you to confront your truth, to be vulnerable. And that's the greatest gift that you can give to an audience. Because a lot of us in life, we live our lives covering up, coping, para mag-survive tayo. But when you are an actor, your main job is to open yourself up and allow people in to see those innermost hurt, trauma that you experience so that you can come up with really truthful and realistic performances. And yes, thanks to the 6 years, I have endured a lot of challenges. Sa bawat pain na nararamdaman ko, lalo na when I was in government position, naku, si Direk talaga, dito mo ilabas yung galit mo dun sa, sa kung kanino man. Channel mo siya into something that would allow you to understand and have a better perspective. Kasi, for example, for so long, I rarely use my mom. Kasi kahit na napakaganda ng relationship namin ngayon, alam kong yung haba ng taon na we were not together, ang dami mong bubog. At kahit na seemingly parang okay talaga kami, maraming mga hurt na hindi napapag-usapan. But when you do a scene and you use the hottest person, meaning you're my mom, for example, understanding yung objective to get you to love me despite not knowing me as your daughter growing up. Ang sakit nun i-confront. So, imagine you're talking to your mom and you're actually telling her the things that you will never say in real life. Things that you will never allow yourself to because natatakot ka na masaktan, natatakot ka na ma-reject. But in this space, when you're an actor, you're able to say it because you're saying it to another character, pero siya yung nasa utak mo. And that's, after a scene, tao tayo, pinaprocess mo yon as a person now. Nasabi ko yun, nakakagaang siya. I remember one scene, I called my mom right after, and we started talking about something that we have not discussed for a long time. So, if you are embracing this process, and if you really commit to being an actor, yun yung requirement sa ating lahat. And sana mas marami pang mga aktor yung ganon. Kasi karamihan sa mga actors natin, hanggang dito lang. Tama na yan, umarte, umiyak ako, exit. But that's not really what makes an actor. So, thank you, Direk, for always, reminding us that as this is the best instrument that we have, our truth, our pain, and our experience.
Thank you, Lisa. I think the challenge for me is to talk less. Because if I have to talk about it, hanggang midnight po tayo dito, ha? Because I think I'm one of the oldest ones here, with Direk. Direk, Ryan, and I have known each other for years more. I think about 13, 14 years more. Because I've been teaching for almost 14 years with Direk, okay? Trained by Direk. In fact, I owe so much to Direk because he was the one who saw, hindi pa kami Ivana noon, he was the one who saw and challenged me if I wanted to teach. After he gave me the baptism of fire. But I had to go through to prove it to him. But anyway, you see, the Ivana Chaba is not just for actors. It's when you get to know the technique and the 12 tools. It's for writers, it's for directors. It's for anyone who wants to know how to cope with pain in life. And that's the reason why when we give workshops, the number one I always tell my students is we're not here to teach you how to act. Because actors are a dime and a dozen. Aside from what you're going to learn here, number one for me is to help you, just like what Lisa said earlier, to help you become a better human being. Because even for us, when we realize what we learned that pain is something you should not run away from. It's not something you hide. Pain is something that you use as a fuel to keep you moving forward, to help you become a better person. It is also in our Ivana Chabak training, and what Direk always teaches us, that you are never a victim of your circumstance or your situation. Because if you feel that you're a victim, then you're going to put up a self-pity party. Right? Now, who wants losers? Do you like losers? No. But don't be a victim. Be a victor because of it. Not out of it, not in spite of it, but because of it. Become a victor. Okay? And that's what you're going to use. All of these things we're learning is something you're going to need in your life. In how you have a better perspective in life, in how you're going to look at situations, problems, even your traumas. All of us have traumas in life. All of us have boo-boo, you know. And it is here that we discover, even with the people that are taking up as a teacher, and I really owe this to Direct Ryan, that you learn empathy. It's so easy to sympathize with people, but empathy is something that others don't have. You know what it feels like to be in that situation, and you're going to do something about it. That's empathy. And so much to learn. And I wish everybody would have the opportunity to learn from Direct Ryan doing the Ivana Chabak method, because it really is about life. Your altitude, how high you are, will depend on your attitude, not your aptitude. Your aptitude you can learn. You know, gifts and talents you can learn. But to have the right attitude in everything in life, that's going to make you a winner. So, thank you. Maraming salamat.
Pang Miss Universe yung answer ng Tita Carla.
Hindi ko naman sinabi na I would like to thank my parents.
Actually, nasabi na po ng lahat eh. Pero ang pinaka-importante talaga doon is when you try to learn the Chabak technique, totoo yung sinabi nila. Definitely, it will make you a better person. Yun yung pinaka-importante talaga doon. Kasi pag nag-training ka naman talaga, yes, pwede kang humusay o acting eh. Direct, totoo naman yan eh. Pero once na ginagawa mo talaga to, ina-apply mo sa totoong buhay, direct, it will make you a better person. And I'm thanking you for that.
Siguro
Maraming
tatanong kayo
salamat.
bakit, thank you for saying that. Bakit it makes them a better person? Kasi after the workshop, they will face their deep-seated issues in life. Kaya na nung pandemic, nag-open yung workshop ko to 25 participating countries. Eh di ba, nakulong tayo. Isa lang ang sinabi nila, para daw may libre na silang therapy. And they're still winning as well as an actor. When I say win, makikita mo talaga na humuhusay sila. Kasi napakahirap sa lahat yung to create a behavior. Ano yung behavior? In layman's term, yung nuances ng artista. Dapat hindi na ituturo ang nuances eh. Hindi na ituturo ang behavior. Otherwise, kapag naituro ko, they will act like Ryan Carlos. Kailangan lumabas yun eh. At lalabas lang yun kung kaya nilang i-process yung pain nila na kinakarga doon. Yun. So, thank you.
Ako naman po, bilang isang veteranang artista, siguro, ang reason ko talaga na sumali dito at naging estudyante ni Direk Ryan is because ganun kong kamahal at passionate ako sa aking trabaho. Sinabi ko nga kanina na noon ako as bilang comedian, gusto ko maging versatile talaga ako na lahat mapupuntahan ko. Na hindi ako ninervyusin pagka drama na yung ibibigay sa akin. And I really do my best na pagka meron class si Direk Ryan, talagang sasali ako. Kasi I believe na yung katulad nung sinasabi niya, na katulad nung pag nag-exercise ka, kapag ka itinigil mo yung pagpunta mo sa gym, mawawala yung muscle mo. So yung emotional muscle, kailangan parati yan, ina-activate. So sa akin talaga, kahit na busy ako or may ginagawa akong soap, parati akong, pag may opportunity, sumasali talaga ako sa workshop. Kasi ang dami-dami kong natutunan. Alam ko matagal na ako sa at sinasabi pa nung iba, dapat teacher ka na eh, kasi ang tanda mo na bakit ikaw pa yung tinuturuan. But for me, learning is an investment and being humble enough nasabihin kong may pangangailangan pa ako at matututunan pa ako sa acting is talagang for me is already a win situation, attitude na talagang ina-admit ko na meron pa akong matututunan. And nakakatuwa kasi sinasabi ko kay Direk Ryan, minsan pag busy na to, mga after 2 days, tsaka magte-text back, ikukwento ko sa kanya, Direk, nagawa ko yung eksena sa drama. Na ganito yung kasi ginamit ko yung chop-up technique, yung mga tinuro mo sa akin, nagawa ko siya na confidently, na alam ko na hindi ako ninenervyos at hindi ako alangan. Alam kong nagawa ko at ang laki ng naitulong mo sa akin. So for me, yung pag-aaral ay hindi dapat ikinahihiya or mayroong hinto dahil matanda na. Para sa akin, continuously ako matututo at mag-aaral.
Just to add to that, that's very true. Actors should never stop learning. That's one thing that Direk has always really emphasized, have a teachable heart. Be humble enough to realize that there's still so much to learn, just like in life. You know, it's a lifestyle of learning. And actors should always have that there's still something that I can still learn from it.
Okay, I always tell people, the best actors in the world are kids. As in, kasi ang dami ko nang hinawakan ng mga bata. Name it, all the lead actors na nakilala natin before sa mga shows. Hinandle ko po sila. Diba? From Bro, to Ningning, to Honesto, lahat sila. And hindi ko pa na-workshop si Zion. Grabe, excited akong ma-meet siya. Kaya nung nagpunta ko sa vertical drama, ang sabi ko doon kila Sir Jeff, kila Ben, kila Isa, na kasama, kila Georgie, na kasama namin sa MCO, sabi ko, gusto ko ma-meet si Zion kasi nahuhusayan ako. So excited akong i-train siya. Anong gusto mong matutunan pa? Kasi mahusay ka di ba?
May award na nga, Direk. Di ba?
Yun, no?
Ayan po, magandang gabi po. Pakilala muna ako. Ako po si Zion Cruz. Ang inaasahan ko po matutunan direct ay sana po ma-improve niyo ako bilang actor. Sorry po na hindi ko ma-answer ang question na kung ano yung natutunan ko kay Direk kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-show. Pero hoping po ako na maibigay ko ang best ko sa inyo. Ma-improve niyo po yung best ko. Kung dati 100% ang best ko, sana po magawa niyo 1,000.
So, 10 trophy na yun.
Alam mo, nagre-research ako, anak na nalalaman ko sa mga direktora na napaka-workable niya yung attitude niya, napaka-husay, napaka-bait. Ayan, kila Carmi can attest. Okay, anak, we'll learn some more. Okay? Importante lang naman, di ba, yung hindi natutulog yung learnings natin. Di ba? Total bata ka pa naman. Okay. Love you. Si Natalia po, na-discover ko siya sa workshop at nung pina-audition ko siya sa isang soap opera, wala nang pinagpilian. Director ko di siya. Okay, anak, anong natutunan mo sa workshop and ano pang gusto matutunan? Ay pa muna sa kanila.
natutunan ko po, hello po!
Cute si...
My name is Natalia Espejo and I'm 7 years old. And ang natutunan ko naman rin po kay Direk Ryan ay huwag umarte po na hindi nararamdaman. Kasi po na parang yung nanonood nawawalan na po ng gana pag Kaya dapat po yung anchor niyo po sa mga body niyo po, ilabas niyo na po para magalingan na po yung mga And sana rin po, ma-improve rin po yung acting ko and super trust rin po ako kay Direk Ryan and Sir Jeff. And ang gusto ko pa po matutunan ay ang dami pa po
Hinahinay na.
parang mga singing or dancing. Dami ko po
Thank you, Anan. Alright.
Opo, I love you, Direk.
Hello po, good evening. I'm Pearl Gonzalez. Thank you. Yay! Sino mga Aries dyan? Woo! Anyway, I agree po sa lahat ng mga sinagot nila from Kitsch to Miss Carmi Martin and sa dalawang chikiting dito, lalo na kay Zagon. And if there's one thing also I've learned sa Chabak and kay Direk, siguro yung you have to really embody your character. Kailangan mo siyang yakapin. Takot na takot akong parang, tao po sila eh. You have to face your traumas, your past, your fears. And nagamit ko siya. Sabi ko, may sense pala yung trauma na to. And you know what I realized? Yung nagamit ko po siya dun sa ginawa kong project na na-mention kanina na sila Ate Dimples and Joanne. Sabi ko, unhealed wounds ko pa rin pala to. So, I still have to work on it. As, parang na-admit ko sa sarili ko na, okay, ito. Kailangan ko pa itong ayusin. And then, may mga times na kung hindi mo naman, like, nahihirapan kang example, message ko sa Direk, hindi ko kayang umiyak. Hindi ko kayang umiyak, nakakaiyak po yung scene, ano kayang bubog. Kahit anong gamit ko dun sa harga ko, hindi ko magamit. Sasabihin niya, anak, ganito lang yan. Gumawa ka ng mga what-if scenario sa mind mo. So ako naman, gumawa ko na rin, namatay yung ex ko, yung mga ganyan. Joke lang po daw, buhay pa po siya. Napatawa ko lang kayo kasi ang seryoso niyo. Anyway, totoo po yun, gagawa ka ng mga what-if scenario sa minds mo na makakatulong doon sa character, doon sa scene, aside sa scene and overall objective na natutunan natin from Chabak. Tatalon ka talaga. Direct may kissing scene, okay lang yan. Kunwari, jowa mo si Joel. Ganun po. You have to... Yan, tama. Tama rin si Miss Carla na it's a never-ending learning. Minsan nga nanonood ako ng TV, sabi ko, galing naman niya. Naawa din ako sa kanya. Ganun. Pag kakilala mo po talaga yung character and role, mas madali lang din aside sa Chabak and na matutunan din namin from Direk Ryan sa workshop. Sa success ka talaga. Thank you so much.
Step by the step to sa success. Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Allen Cecilio. Hello, Direk. Agree po ako sa lahat ng sinabi nilang lahat, so copy-paste na lang po. Hindi ba pwede? Sasagot ako. Anyway, ang natutunan ko po kay Direk Ryan, actually, nag-start po ako sa kanya, 17 years old ako.
Ilan taon ka na?
18 po. 26 na po. So, 10 years ko na rin siyang teacher si Direk Ryan. Pangalawang ulit ko na to sa kanya na from intro and hanggang sa masterclass ulit. Thank you, Direk.
Kasi kakapasa niya pa lang sa masterclass ngayon.
Yes. Kaya excited na ako sa next batch po ng workshop and masterclass. Level up na po. Dahil step by the step na tayo ay sa success. Yeah. Anyway, ang natutunan ko pa kay Direk, aside from the pain na magagamit mo talaga siya as an actor. And tulad nga ng sinasabi rin ng ibang estudyante, Direk, para sa akin talaga, personally, itong workshop, para siyang therapy sa akin eh. Kasi tayong mga tao, meron tayong mga trauma, mga pain na natatakot tayong i-confront sa sarili natin. Hindi natin piniface, parang dinadivert natin lagi yung attention natin sa ibang bagay para hindi lang natin i-acknowledge yung pain and yung trauma na na-experience natin. And dito sa workshop, tutulungan tayo ni Direk na harapin yun and use it as a fuel para manalo tayo dun sa eksenang gagawin natin. Yun yung pinaka natutunan ko kay Direk. And of course, yung walang maliit na roles. There's no small roles, only small actors. Kasi nga, kahit na background ka, kahit na isa lang linya mo, yung character mo, mahalaga yan kasi hindi mabubuo ang isang eksena kung wala ka. At kahit gaano kalit yung character mo, kahit isang linya ka lang, dalawa lang, umuo ka lang dun sa bida, meron ka pa rin objective dun sa eksena at yun ang importante. Kung yung oo lang na yun, kung yes mo na yun, pero nararamdaman mo at alam mo yung objective mo, buo mo yung character mo sa sarili mo, mananalo ka pa rin dun sa eksena. Yun po.
Thank you.
Good evening po. Kinakabahan din ako. I'm Sam Coloso po. Hello everyone. And first of all,
gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa MQAA, Sir Jeff, Direk Ryan. Thank you po. It's so amazing to be seated amongst these actors. Grabe. So ayun po, I just wanna be honest. Kabado talaga. I just wanna be honest po. Natakot po ako coming into Direk Ryan's workshop because I've heard na the Chabak technique is something like na you're going to confront your pain, you're going to confront your traumas. Ganun po ang sinasabi ng lahat ng co-actors na na-meet ko. So I thought I wasn't ready to open up. Pero nung naging estudyante na po ako ni Direk Ryan, I just had so many realizations, not only about myself, pero it also helped me transform. It's really a metamorphosis kasi it will help you win from your past traumas. Yung objectives mo as an actor or in your character, dun mo magagamit yung trauma mo. And it will help you not just stay in one place, yung nandun lang yung trauma mo yung nasa loob mo lang siya, tutulungan ka talaga ng karakter mo na makabawi or makabangon ka in life. So ayun, yun nga, sabi ni Direk, para talaga siyang therapy. Kaya I'm so thankful for this experience. And dati ko pa po pangarap na maging teacher si Direk Ryan nung nasa kabila pa po ako. And now, it's a full circle moment kasi nabigay po sa amin, MQAA artists, ang opportunity na to. Kaya maraming salamat po. Thank you, Direk.
Thank you.